What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel, Barry's Drawing Club. In today's video, we will draw Mr. P from Brawl Star, the cute penguin. So let's get started. First, we will draw his mouth. First, draw a line here, followed by an oval here. Then onto his eyes, two ovals here, moving to his ribbon. The easiest way to draw a ribbon is like drawing two triangles here. Let's draw the first one and the other one. Now we are moving to his eyebrow. Draw a big, it's more like downside arrow here. Done. Moving to his face. His face is like around, so it's probably this big. Let's draw it. We want to make it this big. His head. Don't forget this one. And then the accessory on the head. And the small one. We just made his face. Now moving to the lower part. We start with this one. Then we make his body. It's roughly this big. Don't forget his buttons, two buttons. Now we're drawing his leg. We're drawing his right arm here. With a button here. And the left hand side, he's bringing a suitcase. So we will first draw the suitcase. Draw a box here, a square, two lines inside, the handle, and the penguin is holding the handle, so we're making it this way. Simple. And the button here. Also, today we're gonna add the little penguin right here. So we start with his eyes. Nose, one square, small square here, and then his ribbon. We're drawing his face now. We will draw it like roughly this big. And his head. Small antenna here. And don't forget to color his eyes black. Congratulations! You just have a drawing of penguins, Mr. P from Brawl Star. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you on the next video. Goodbye.